For 21 days straight, I replaced my usual morning drink with one simple thing, a glass of warm ginger water. At first, it was just an experiment. I'd heard people talk about its benefits, boosting metabolism, cleansing the body, improving digestion, but I wanted to see if it really worked. Day 1 to 3. The first few mornings were a little rough. The taste was strong, spicy, earthy, and sharp. But something interesting happened. After breakfast, I didn't feel bloated anymore. It felt like my stomach had actually woken up. By day 5, I noticed I was going to the bathroom more regularly, and my digestion felt smoother. That's when I learned ginger contains gingerol, a compound that helps move food through the stomach faster and reduces bloating naturally. By day 10, I started feeling more energetic. Not the caffeine kind of energy, but a clean, steady kind that lasted all day. Turns out, ginger helps balance blood sugar levels, which means fewer energy crashes and more focus. By day 15, I realized something surprising. My cravings for junk food had dropped. When your digestion and hormones are balanced, your body naturally stops craving what harms it. It was a small but powerful change. Then came day 21, and that's when I saw the full picture. My skin looked clearer, my stomach flatter, and even the little joint stiffness I used to feel was gone. That's when I understood what ginger water really does. It's not a magic potion. It's a gentle daily detox, a system reset that works from the inside out. Here's how I made it each morning. 1 cup of warm water, half a teaspoon of gray-red fresh ginger or 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder, a few drops of lemon juice optional. Let it steep for 5 minutes before drinking. Drink it on an empty stomach and wait about 15 minutes before breakfast. The results: more energy, better digestion, improved skin, and a lighter, cleaner feeling throughout the day. So, if you've been feeling heavy, tired, or just off balance, try drinking ginger water every morning for 3 weeks. You might be surprised how quickly your body responds. Sometimes the simplest things are the ones that make the biggest difference.